Hey, what's going on guys? John here. So since the start of the pandemic, it's been hard to go and see a healthcare professional to get some sort of manual work or adjustment done on you. While this doesn't necessarily achieve the same results, if you practice it, you can get decent precision with one technique that I'll show you. So what you'll need is a foam roll, and you can get this for about $20 to $25 range on Amazon.com, or if you want to go to a local sports store, Target or Walmart also sell these. I'm dropping a link down below in the description for the one that I am using. So for this technique, we'll be lying on our back, and it's the thoracic foam roll technique. So you're gonna go ahead and lie down and kind of wedge that foam roller right behind your upper back or the thoracic spine. And I typically like to lay my hands behind my neck to give the neck a little support, and then lift your hips off and then just roll up and down. And you should feel like a little gentle stretch across the upper back. Occasionally you might get some pops or cavitations. It's not a bad thing as long as it doesn't hurt. Okay, for this one we'll go ahead and do a minute.
I'm still recording.
No problem. Okay. Alright, so for the next technique, we're actually gonna lie down on the foam roller vertically. So from the tailbone all the way to the back of your head. Okay, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and bring one arm up, and then you're gonna go ahead and just alternate. And it's gonna work a little bit in between the shoulder blades for the soft tissue, and then work a bit between the Cervicothoracic Junction. All right, so this one's called the Travolta exercise. And you'll also do this one for a minute. And then if you have a canine buddy, it's possible that they'll make the exercise a little bit more fun. All right, now for the third exercise, you're going to be in the same position. And then you can go ahead and split your arms out in a 90-degree angle, getting a good stretch up in the front of your chest. And then what you're going to do is pretend that you have a box overhead. And you're just going to move that box side to side. And we call this the CTJ exercise, or the Cervicothoracic Joint Mobilization. Okay, and you also do this one for a minute. You should feel it right at the base of your neck where it meets your shoulder blades. Okay, especially good for those of you who struggle with a bit of pain in the CTJ or have what's called a dowager's hump. All right, awesome. Hope you feel better watching this, or you're inspired in some way. I'll be making new videos on other foam roll techniques later on, so be sure to subscribe for those. Now, I would recommend that you do this cycle about 2 to 3 times a day, or whenever you need a break from the computer. I certainly think that the foam roll can go a long way in terms of getting you some symptom relief, but I think that it actually comes down to your posture for the duration that you're sitting in front of the workstation each day. I've made a couple of videos demonstrating how to stretch out your neck in case you're feeling some neck, upper back tension, so you could go ahead and check those out in the links below. And as with any exercise that I've demonstrated, please stop if you feel significant pain or something just doesn't feel right. I hope that this video motivated you, or that it made you feel better in some way. And I will see you in the next one. If you have a pet, they always want to join in on the fun.